Good morning, children. Now, as our second midterm is fast approaching, we will see the revision for that. I think all of you have written and submitted the notebooks. No, it's not true. Only two of them have submitted. One student, blank note without writing anything, she has submitted. So, children, fast you have to submit the notes. Okay, now book exercise we will see as a part of revision today. So, other class work and all, I will be sending another video. You read, children. Now, this explain the difference between these words by making sentences. One is done for you. Already this is done for you. Okay, so C, different spelling but same pronunciation and different in a meaning. So that we have to keep it in mind and we have to put in a sentence. For example, it is given, can you see the birds flying over the sea? Understand? SEEC means, you know what is the meaning? Viewing, right? Visualizing. Okay. SEAC means it is a water body, right? So both different meaning, but we have to put in a sentence. Now, KNIGHT night and NIGHT night. So how you can put into this sentence? You can make your own sentence also, but it should be meaningful. Otherwise, you can copy what I sent through the video. Okay, children. So, I saw a knight last night. So, I saw a KNIGHT night last night, NIGHT night. Okay, va? So, like that you can write. Third, RIGHT write, WRITE write. So, what does it mean? RIGHT write na direction, right side. WRITE na, so using a pencil or pen or chalk, you have to write now that one. So, sentence now, write the address in the right side. So, write WRITE, write the address in the right side, RIGHT right side. Okay, va? Next, fourth one, ARMS, arms, ALMS, arms. She stretched her arms to receive arms. She stretched her ARMS, arms, to receive arms. ALMS, arms. So ARMS, arms naka the hand, right? ALMS, arms naka. So when somebody are begging, no, we are putting some coins, no, that is called as alms. Either coins or rupee note or food, like that. Next, fifth one, FAIR, fair, FARE, fair. Okay, va? So this one, FAIR, fair means nice. FARE, fair means the charge. Now, the auto fare was not fair. The auto fare, 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 was not fair. FAIR, fair. Okay. Next, these sentences are already sent through a video and you have noted, I think, in the book. While seeing this video, it should be written. Previously, it should be written in the book itself. Understand, children? Now, HERE here, HER here. First one means here, inge. HER here, kadala. So I can hear the songs from here. I can hear, HEAR, hear the songs from here, HERE here. Next, HEARD, HERD. The head of sheep heard the cowboy's voice. The head, HEARD, heard of sheep, heard, HEARD, heard the voice of cowboy. So you can make it into different sentence also, but it should be meaningful. OUR hour, HOUR hour. It takes 1 hour to reach our shop. It takes 1 hour, HOUR hour, to reach OUR hour shop. So why it is not written anything and blankly keeping and sir is saying through voice only? Why it is not written means while revising without answers only we have to revise. So answers will be written in your book. But what is there in seeing and reading? Understand? Without seeing, while revision means without seeing you have to, you are capable of seeing. That's what. That's why my answers are blank always. But I know the answer. And in the same manner, you should be trained. Understand? So for writing, already I have posted a video. But this is revision. So without answers only I can revise. You check into your book or search in the video and then answer. Now, NO no, KNOW no. NO no means illai. KNOW no means தெரிஞ்சிக்கிறது. Understand? Nobody knows about this matter. You can write in your own answer, own sentence also. Nobody, NO no, BODY body, nobody knows, KNOWS knows about this matter. Next, not, 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 KNOT not. The knot was not tight. The knot, KNOT not, was not, NOT not, tight, TIGHT tight. Okay, well? Next, B exercise. Read the following sentences and write the meaning of the italicized words. One is done for you. Right? So this is homonyms only, but spelling different, meaning different. So pronunciation only same. Now one is done for you. Already what they do know, they will give you the sentence. In that sentence, 2 words will be there which sound same. So homonyms, what? The words which sound same are called as homonyms. Okay, they may be having different meaning, they may be having different spelling, that and all we need not. What is this? Homonyms means the words which sound same. Understand? Now the bandage was wound around the wound. Now which are the 2 words which sound the same? WOUND and WOUND. Spelling also same, sound also same, meaning different. So the 2 words you have to take and write, and you have to write the meanings. WOUND, wound means injury. அடிபட்டுச்சுன்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அது INJURY, injury. WOUND, wound means past tense of wind. WIND, wind அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் சுற்றுறது. Understand? So past tense wound. So WOUND, wound. One more இதுனாக்க past tense of wind. Next, from here onwards we have to do number 2. There is a fair arts and crafts fair this weekend. There are two words which are there, FAIR, FAIR. Understand? So what are those meanings? Now this is question for you. You will have to answer. Already you have the answer with you. I have posted, right? Now tell me. Don't think that this is offline video. If we say also, sir, நம்ம சொன்னாலும் சொல்லலைனாலும் சாருக்கு எதனா கேட்க போதா, இது ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் இல்லையே, ஆஃப்லைன் வீடியோ தானே அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீங்கள் சைலண்ட்டாக இருக்கக்கூடாது. So when teacher says whether the teacher is in front of you or not, you will have to answer. Okay, this question, children, FAIR, FAIR, the homonyms. You have to say the answers. What is the meaning of FAIR, FAIR first one and second one? Say children, I will wait for you. With the spelling you have to say. Don't think that sir is not there, we will also keep quiet like that and all. Don't think. If you are cheating me, you are cheating yourself. Like this in the middle I will give you. You will have to answer. Okay, third one. The woodcutter saw a huge saw in his dream. SAW saw, the two words, homonyms are coming. Huh? Okay, SAW, first SAW saw. What is the meaning? Past tense of see. SEE. Right? Next saw, a tool used for cutting wood. Like that meaning you have to write. See how I am speedily I am telling. The same manner you have to say. Fourth one shall I give you? You will say answer. Write the right answers on the right side. Now RIGST, two times it is coming. RIGST right now, correct. One meaning is there. One more RIGST right now, direction. Okay. Next, the well was dug by the well-known king. WELL, two times it is coming. You say now. I know the answer. I have sent you the answer. You say to me now with the spelling. I will wait. Simply always if I keep on telling the answers, no, you will be adapted for spoon feeding. That and all not good in learning. I will not practice that things and all. Revision means you will have to read, say with spelling, without seeing. Like sixth one, we have March past in March. Two words coming here, MARCH. March is the third month of the year. One more, March naka, walking in a military manner. Next seven, can you get me a can? So can, 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 requesting word. CAN, can, vessel or container. Next, how long will the live fish live without food? You tell me now. LIVE, live, two words are there. Tell me. Okay. Hope that you are seeing the answers. Understand? Ninth one. She has tears in her eyes as she tears old photos. Two words are coming here. Tears. First, tears. The liquid, the drop of liquid which comes out from your eyes. Next, tear. Make into pieces or pull apart with a force. I will be second in line if I wait one more second. So SECOND, second means what? First, second, number 2. Next, second number. First one, number 2. Second, or the second number order. Okay. Next, syllabification. 10 words are there. I have sent you this Monday, right? Adventure. So, what is meant by syllabification? What is meant by syllable? It is a unit of pronunciation having one vowel sound with or without surrounding consonants, forming the whole or a part of a word. For example, there are 2 syllables in water. So, water word you can divide into 2. W-A or T or T. That means the word syllable it should contain one vowel sound. Understand? Now, adventure already done for you. You can divide it into 3. Adventure. Right? So, as I told you in the video, like that you have to write, children. This slash and all, many of them are mistaking, and even that way of writing is not at all good. That is why. But correct procedure this only. That's why, because of these children making mistakes, no, I made it to put a hyphen in between the syllables. Now, courageous. How it can be split? Tell me now. Courageous you have to say. So here split the word and write how many splittings you are doing. That means how many syllables are there. So you are splitting now in each one. That each one split is known as syllable. Second you say. Third, incredible. 4 syllables we can do here. In, CRED, cred, IBLE. Incredible. That's all. 4 syllables you have to write. Next, night, KNIGHT, night. We cannot syllabify. Only one word. You have to write the same word and write 1 syllable. Next, hilarious. You need to say now. Already you have written in the book, no? See and say. Okay, 6th. Excitement. 3 syllables we can do. AX, 1. Sight, CITE, MENT. Excitement, 3. Peasant. 2 syllables we can make. PEAS, 1 syllable. ANT, 1 syllable. Is ant. Next, 8th one. Imagine, you say. This you need to say. Okay, 9th, shepherd. 2 syllables we can make. SHEP, HERD. 2 syllables. 10th, entreat. EN, 1 syllable. TREAT, treat, 1 syllable. Totally 2 syllables. Okay, children. Next, this crossword puzzle, I have given you the answers. Okay va? When you write this crossword you can get the answers, but in exam we cannot give like that, no. That is why in a direct sentence manner I have given you. Okay children, go through it. Next, this one little bit if you use your intelligence you can write children, nothing in it. Say SCD, first letter S, the same first letter kana next word la first letter after S, third word after T U, then after U fourth word oda first letter enna V, then fifth word W, second letter in the word first அதாவது இது வேர்டுன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது, ஜஸ்ட் கோடு, ஏன்னா doesn't have any மீனிங் இருந்தால் தான் தட் இஸ் வேர்டு. டு மேக் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஐ எம் டெல்லிங். ஏன்னா ஸ்மால் சில்ட்ரன் உங்களுக்கு இப்போ தான் 7th வரீங்க, ஸோ ஸ்டான்ஸாக்கும் பேராகிராஃபுக்கும் வித்தியாசம் தெரியலை. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி சின்ன சின்ன விஷயங்கள் நான் முதல்ல உங்கள் வழிக்கே வந்து நீங்கள் சொல்கிற மாதிரியே சொல்லித்தான் அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் வந்து கரெக்டான வேர்ட்ஸை சொல்ல வைக்க முடியும், சரியா? அதனால் சார் வேர்டுங்கிறாரு, வேர்டுக்கு மீனிங்கே இல்லையே அப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஸோ அப்படி சொல்லிவிட்டு உங்களை வந்து இது பண்ணால் தான் கரெக்டாக வரும். அதுக்கப்புறம் நாம் இது வேர்டு இல்லை, இட் இஸ் எ கோட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம், சரியா? ஓகே. அந்த ஃபஸ்ட் கோடில் செகண்ட் லெட்டர் என்ன? சி. எஸ் சார் நான் சரி. தேர்ட் லெட்டர் என்ன? அது ஃபஸ்ட்லேயே கண்டினியூ ஆகுது, CD. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஆஃப்டர் D வாட் வில் கம்? E. அதுதான் செகண்ட் கோடோட செகண்ட் லெட்டர். தென் F. கரெக்டாக லிசன் பண்ணால் தான் புரியும். இது மீனிங்கே இல்லாத ஒரு இது, ஆனாலும் எக்ஸாமில் எப்பயாவது கேட்டாலும் உங்களுக்கு கரெக்டாக அந்த ப்ரெசன்ஸ் ஆஃப் மைண்டை வச்சு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஓகே. நவ் இந்த செகண்ட் EF தேர்ட் கோடில் செகண்ட் கோடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய தேர்ட் லெட்டரோட கண்டினியூஷன் G, தென் ஜியோட கண்டினியூஷன் H, லைக் தட் ஒன்லி. நவ் தேர்ட் கோடில் தேர்ட் லெட்டரோட கண்டினியூஷன் I, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு J. Okay, so then which word is correct here, which code is correct here? Four options are there. Which is correct now? CMN, UJI, C, VIJ, D, IJT. Which is correct now? Option C is correct, VIJ. Next, second line, FAG, GAF, HAI, IAH. So first letter J வரணும். Okay. Second letter common, every codeலையும் A தான் இருக்கு, so JA. Third letter G starting வருது, G. F second கோடோட தேர்ட் லெட்டர், தேர்ட் கோடோட தேர்ட் லெட்டர் I, ஃபோர்த் கோடோட H தேர்ட் லெட்டரு. ஸோ இட் இஸ் லிட்டில் பிட் கன்ஃபியூசிங் தானே? எஸ் ஆர் நோ? மிஸ்மேட்சிங்காக வருது. ஸோ நவ் ஆல்ரெடி வி நோ ஃபஸ்ட் லெட்டர் J, செகண்ட் லெட்டர் A, தேர்ட் லெட்டரில் ட்விஸ்ட் இருக்குது. ஓகே. ஸோ டூ ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் ஆர் அப் டு திஸ் டூ ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் நமக்கு கரெக்டாக வருது. JA ஆப்ஷன் A அண்ட் ஆப்ஷன் D, JA ரெண்டு வருது. இப்போது தேர்ட் லெட்டர் வந்து ஃபைனலைஸ் பண்ணும், வெதர் இட் இஸ் JAK ஆர் JAI. I already is there, so JAK. the correct option. Right? Like that, 3, 4 and 5 you can find it out. So 3 EL FA is there, 4 letters are there, GL HA, next IL JA ML NA. So E F G H. So the first letters on the in between letters missing. E after F than or no. G is there. So middle letter illa G. So G after H than or no ana I irukku. So like that. So I after J or no ana miss agum. K the starting letter. So option B fix pannunga K. Next second letters of the code வந்து L L L. So commonly L the same. Okay va? So K L K L. Next third letter the same manner F H. Middle letter missing. Right or not? Okay, middle letter. So missing agudhu. So F H J. Next which one should come? K varadu, L varum. So option D light touch agudha. Yes. Next last letters ellathulume A. So option D K L L A. Next fourth one C M M E O O G Q Q K U U. So second and third letters on the double letters update varudhu. So now we will have to find out the first letter correctly. C E G K. So middle letter miss agudhu. Yes or no? C after D only dhaan varano. E. E after F dhaan varano. Miss agudhu G. Next I dhaan varano. Which one should come? I. Next the second letters parunga. M O Q U. So adu middle letter miss aite varudhu. So M after N dhaan varano. O is coming. O after P should come, but Q is coming. Q after R dhaan varano. S varunga. So option C. I S S. C the correct. Next fifth one. Okay, I am leaving it for you. You can find it out. Okay, children, tell me now fast. Which option is correct? Okay, go through this. Not only this one, class work also you have to revise. Okay, children. Thank you.